This is a Stanford Learning Lab tutorial on how to use Todoist to improve your organization and planning. The key to an effective time management system is having a long-term view of what needs to be done that you check periodically while operating from a to-do list on a daily basis. However, the process of switching between different calendar systems can be tedious, and Todoist is one application that can help facilitate effective time management. Todoist can be downloaded onto PCs, Macs, tablets, and phones. Todoist comes with a free basic version, but you can pay for a subscription to unlock additional features. However, the basic version has plenty of useful features. For example, you can have all of your data synced across your devices. This is what the home screen looks like. If you want to create a habit of looking at it every day, you can select the option to have it automatically start when you log into your device. On the left-hand side, we have our different types of calendars. The inbox is filled with tasks that I created, and I created two subsections called high priority and low priority to give it some structure. You can create a task by clicking on Add Task, then type a brief description of the task. You can also choose to schedule it for a certain day or assign it to a location outside the inbox to another part of Todoist. You can also add labels, assign it a priority level, or set a reminder to alert you. Once you create a task, it will show up on the screen. Time management often requires flexibility, as you're likely constantly reorganizing when a task should be worked on. And we can drag this task to a new spot at any time, and it's very quick and easy. If you want to break down a task even further, you can click on the task and then add subtasks. This is incredibly useful if you have a more complex task that needs to be broken down into smaller actions. Let's move on to the Today calendar. Here you'll notice that our task we created previously is automatically transferred to this calendar because we added the date. This is an excellent feature because you don't have to rewrite and update the same task on multiple calendars. It also looks like I have an overdue assignment, so I can reschedule that to another date as well. On the upcoming calendar, I can find a list of all of my tasks categorized by day. This is helpful if you want to see multiple days at the same time, so you can see where your busiest weeks are. Further down the menu, you'll find a list of your projects. This is the place to plan out your larger class assignments, papers, projects, and even dissertations. Basically, any assignment that has multiple steps and stages that could get difficult to keep track of. If you don't know how to break down a particular project, Todoist makes it simpler by providing downloadable templates. You can use this search engine to find specific templates by keywords, or you can search by the predetermined categories. Let's select the education category. Student planning seems relevant, so let's choose that and see what it looks like in Todoist. Here we see that there is already a structure in place with a how-to section first that contains tips to help you plan. There's also a section for exam dates, assignment and project deadlines, readings, and other sections. But this is just one template, and there are many others that might better fit your preferred style of planning. The last feature to go over in this video is how to integrate Todoist with Google Calendar. Importantly, there is a two-way sync feature, so if I create a new event in my calendar, you'll find it in Todoist. And if I create a new task in Todoist, it will show up in my calendar. So all of your Todoist tasks will be displayed in your calendar, and all of your calendar events will show up in Todoist. In order to integrate these two applications, click on your profile in the upper right-hand corner, then select Settings. Then choose Integrations, and you'll see the option to connect your Google Calendar. You'll be directed to a series of standard steps of choosing your account and giving permissions and passwords. Then you'll be asked to personalize your syncing preferences. We won't cover this in detail here, but there's a lot of personalization options. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to learn more about time management or want help integrating Todoist with a learning specialist, please contact the Stanford Learning Lab. Thank you for listening.